If you've done the person building craft and have made these pieces or pieces similar to these, I'm also going to show that you can use a long sock to put or build the person on. Okay, so I'll pull these off and we'll start with some feet. So we'll string those first. We have to put our pinching fingers through, pinch, and then pull it on. I've got my feet down at the bottom. You know what? For my paper loop, this extra bit is kind of getting caught on the inner part of the sock. I'm gonna just tear that off. And me and my feet, my shoes are still sliding off, so I'm gonna add another little knot at the end so it doesn't fall off. There we go. I've got my feet. Now, this is good for bilateral because I'm also having to hold it. And now again, I'm gonna put my pincher fingers through and put it through, pinch your fingers through, pass it, and pull our piece on. So I've got legs and feet. Next, we need a body. Oh, there's the body, our torso, our chest. And then we can do a head. Oh, that one's getting a bit longer. And you might not have as much room if you're doing socks, or depending on how long your socks are, or if you have some other kind of similar or ribbon, whatever works. So you can see how that works. And then, oh, one other activity or game that you can do with this is you can start by sorting and putting all of the heads together in one area, one pile or one section. And sort and organize, put feet, so that you're working on that idea of generalizing the body parts so that you have each of the different ones. Also, to make it easier, you don't have to do 5 different body parts. You could do the feet with the pants or the bodies with the pants. And you could do no hats at all or hats that are included with some of the heads. There are lots of options that way as well. Hope you have fun.